Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to use Cash Journal to post transactions in SAP FICO. What is the Cash Journal and petty cash? To protect the company's cash, petty cash is usually a low amount, just enough to cover unanticipated incidental expenses. A journal entry is an accounting transaction that either debits or credits accounts to document how funds are used and allocated throughout a company's accounting books. The cash journal is a bank accounting subledger for the management of cash in a business. The system automatically calculates and displays the opening and closing balances, and the receipts and payments totals. You can run several cash journals for each company code. Create GL master data for cash journal. T-code FS00. Select current assets. Select cash account. Click on copy reference. Give available number. For create cash to bank account are using cash account as reference. In short and long text field give cash to bank account. Click on Control Data. Keep everything same just like cash account. Click on Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G001. Click on Save. Click on Copy Reference. Give next number. Click on Type and Description. In short text and long text give cash from bank account. Remaining all same, just click on Save. Next select cash account. Click on Edit. Click on Create Bank Interest. Select Post Automatically Only. Click on Save. Click OK. Next click on Expenses Account Group. Select Purchases Account. Click on Type and Description. Account Group Expenses. Select Profit and Loss Account. Short and long text Purchases Account. Click on Control Data. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Next click on Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G001. Next select Incomes Account Group. Click on Sales Account. Click on Type and Description. Account Group Incomes. Select Profit and Loss Account. Short and long text Sales Account. Next click on Control Data. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Click on Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G001. GL Master Data Creation completed. We will use this 5 accounts in Cash Journal. And you must select Post Automatically Only in Cash Account. Next define document type for Cash Journal. T-code OBA7. Select AB document type. Document type AB accounting document. And also we will use KZ and DZ documents in Cash Journal. Click on Save. Next define number ranges for Cash Journal. T-code FBCJC1. Enter your company code. Click on Create Intervals. Number range 01. From number 1 to number 200. Click on Enter and click on Save. Click OK. Next set up Cash Journal. T-code FBCJC0. Select 0001. Click on Copy. Change the company code. Change the cash journal name. Anything you can give up to 4 characters. Next, change the GL account. Select Cash Account. Select the currency INR. Remaining all keep as same. Do not make any changes. Click on Enter. Click on Save. This is our cash journal setup. Next, create change delete business transactions. T-code FBCJC2. Click on New Entry. Give your company code. Next, select Business Transactions. Using this 6 business transaction types, we will post the entries in Cash Journal. Select Type C for receipt from bank account. Next, give cash from bank account 2210. Enter the text in Cash Journal Business Transaction field. Next, give company code. Transaction type B for payment to bank account. GL account 2209. Cash to bank account. Next, give company code. Transaction type R. For revenue, select 3202. Sales account. Next, give company code. Transaction type E. For expenses, GL account 4407. Purchase account. Next, give company code. Transaction type D. For customer posting. Enter the text. Cash from customers. Next, give company code. Transaction type K. For vendor postings. Enter the text. Cash to vendor. Click on Enter. Click on Save. Next, Cash Journal Postings. T-code FBCJ. Give Cash Journal ID. In this screen we have options like cash payments, cash receipts and check receipts. And also we set the display period, present date, present week and month wise. Before post the transactions, we have to set print parameters for Cash Journal. Open new session. Set up print parameters. T-code FBCJC3. Select company code 0001. Click on Copy. Give your company code instead of 0001. Click on Save. Back to Cash Journal. Click on Cash Receipts. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select Cash from bank. Enter amount. Enter text. Update business area. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select sales account. Enter amount. Enter text. Update business area. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select cash from customers. Enter amount. This payment is related to customer. First we have to check is there any open item in FBL5N. Open new session. Entity code FBL5N. Select customer and open item. Click execute. Customer 731. We have open item for 10,000. I want to clear this open item in cash journal. Back to cash journal. Enter amount. Select customer 731. Update business area. The documents amount should updated in cash receipts. Select the documents. Click on Post Selections. Now we can see the document status. Turn into green color. Cash receipts updated. Total amount 35,000. Next click Cash Payments. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select Purchase Account. Enter amount. Enter text. Update business area. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select Cash to Vendor. Here we making outgoing payment to vendor. Before enter amount we have to check open items. Open new session. Entity code FBL1N. Select vendor and open items. Click execute. We have open item 5,000 for vendor 701. I want clear outgoing payment in cash journal. Back to cash journal. Enter amount. Select vendor 701. Update business area. Select the documents to post. Click on Post Selections. The document status turn into green and cash payments updated with the amount of 14,000. And we have 21,000 closing balance in hand. End of the day I want to transfer this amount to bank. Click F4 to open business transaction. Select Cash to Bank Account. Enter closing balance amount. Update business area. Select the entry. Click on Post. Now total cash receipts and total cash payments are equal. Closing balance 0. Click on Save. Like this we can make cash receipts and payments in cash journal by certain limit. It's depended on company. Next, click on Print Cash Journal. This is the preview of Print Cash Journal. Here we can see all cash receipts and cash payments in one screen. In this video we have learnt how to post cash receipts and cash payments by using Cash Journal in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.